Hello and welcome to another project from Stamping with Ian. Boxes this week. The YouTube portion of my projects will be boxes. That'll be Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Tuesday and Thursday I'll be doing something different. Haven't decided what yet. You'll have to wait and see. So at On Stage we got to use the Geared Up Garage dies and stamp set, and that was the project that we did. It's one of our pizza boxes. These are wonderful. They come in packs of 8. You see they're shiny. They are food safe inside, so perfect for treats and things. I didn't get to stamp with the stamp set. I think we ran out of time or something, so I just cobbled something together when I got back from Thoughtful Banners. Today though I now have the stamp set, one of my new purchases, so I thought we'd remake it in have some different colours, you know, different DSP and what have you. So this is our pizza box. So they come flat. I'm not going to assemble it because I'll be creating on top of here and then we'll assemble it afterwards. Okay. Any measurements will be on the coordinating blog post, which you'll find in the description below, along with links to purchase any of the products should you like to. I would love to be your demonstrator. Now then, we've got some of the Best Route DSP here. Coordinating colours here are Pineapple Punch, Mango Melody and Grey Granite and Whisper White. So from that I picked up some I've done the gears in Mango Melody. I've got some of this lovely grey ribbon. I'm not sure if this is grey granite. I think this is Grey Granite actually. It came with a ribbon share and I'm not quite sure what colours are what. It's all in one bag. You know, yeah, but it matches, so it will go with it. There's the die cut piece with Happy Father's Day. Yeah, it's not Father's Day till June, but you know, it's surprising how quickly these things come round. So I'm kind of giving you a bit of a head start. And a piece of Pineapple Punch, which will go layer under the ribbon. So let's get on, shall we? And have a bit of fun. So we'll stick this on first. Get my Tombow sorted. Oops, a stray blob there. Here we go. I'm probably going to make some masculine note cards to go in here, but that'll be another project for another day. So that goes on. Then we put our Pineapple Punch on. Kind of a third the way up sort of thing. That's lovely. That level? No. It is now. Of course, you're all shouting at the screen now saying you should have added the ribbon. And you're quite right. I should have added the ribbon. Before I did that, but no problem, he says. Oh dear me, what am I like, eh? I'm filming this on a Friday, so you know that's kind of my excuse. What we'll do is I'll put some turn tape on this ribbon about here. Roughly that much, will that do? A bit less. So to about there. Squish it down. I've lost my piercing tool, so I'm reduced to a scalpel at the minute. I'm going to order another one anyway, you know. You need to have a couple, don't you? Assuming I find the other one, that is. Here we go. Right, tear that off. Right, there's the sticky bit between there and there. So I'm just going to put that kind of there, kind of in the middle, like so. Stick it down, get my scissors. Love these scissors, these are Fiskars. As an alternative to the Stampin' Up ones we don't have anymore, which is a shame. I'm just going to cut straight up actually, and I'll leave it a little bit overhanging, I think, for a bit of interest, you know, why not, eh? And something else I forgot to do, of course, is the gears, because they were supposed to go on top of there but underneath the ribbon. So I'm having a really fun day today. You know, my brain has just gone completely to mush. You know, I don't know what is wrong with me, but never mind. You know, it's kind of be good to be hidden by the sentiment anyway, so you know, that's kind of fine. So I've got a dimensionals that's come from somewhere. Gordon Bennett. So we'll stick these over there, kind of like that. Very nice. Actually, over the ribbon's quite nice actually, but stick it down. We'll get some dimensionals. I've got some here. No, they're mini dimensionals. I don't want the minis. I want ordinary dimensionals for this. Here we go. Here's our sentiment. Just a couple on. You don't need more than 2 for this. And remove the backing and place in the middle, like so. Then we can assemble our box like so. Hey presto, there we go. So there's the one I made it on stage. There's the new one, slightly different, which I think is good anyway. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching this project. There'll be another video project on Wednesday, so look out for that. It'll be another box. Whatever you're doing today, I hope you enjoy yourselves, have a good time, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye now.